Hello all, welcome to Technostack. In the series of Python, today we are going to see the installation procedures for Python. So there are various ways you can install Python in your system with various implementation. So first we'll be seeing for Mac and Windows. So just give me a second. I'll take you to the window over here where I be showing you how to go to the main website. So just go to Google and type Python download and you'll see this type of interface. You just have to click on the first link, that is the core link of python.org. This drags you to the downloading page of the Python, from where you can download the latest version of for any of your OS. So you can download for Windows, Linux, Mac. So the first here will be shown the latest version, and then you can drag it down to see the preferred specific releases if you want. Like if you want Python 3.8.7, so you can download it from here. Otherwise, you just have to click on it and it will start the downloading of the exe file. You just have to install it, and then you can use the Python idle for your next procedures. Normally, simple programmings are done by this, or else you can just download it and use it with any other editor. Sublime is also uh, recommended for using it with Python. The next way, we'll just go to our Word file back. The next way for Linux, the easy way for Linux operating system is you can just go to your command prompt and type sudo apt-get update and then sudo apt-get install Python 3.8. You can just take a screenshot of this for your future use. Just by this too, you will get you just have to know the latest version of Python. That is for now, if I want to download Python 3.8, like the current version is Python 3.9.2, but if I want 3.8, then I'll just write Python 3.8 and it will download Python 3.8. The next version is, you can, if there are some basic features in your laptop that doesn't allow you to download any of the other installations, like for Linux this, or for other on the main Python installations, like the previously that I showed you. Let me just go back here. If you are not able to successfully download it from here, and if you are having any problems checking the version or working with Python, you can just go to Anaconda. Just type Anaconda in Google and you'll be directed to this page. Now, Anaconda is a bundle that is used for Python. So it also has Python package, or let's say, I'll just show you the products. Just go for individual edition, which is free. Then you can just scroll down. What you get is Conda packages, that is open source Python package, and then other certain things like you get Jupyter Notebook, Spider, then all these libraries inbuilt. So basically, for machine learning models, people use Anaconda, and it is very efficient and it works on all the old and new systems. So you will not have any problem downloading it. You can get your individual by just clicking on downloading here and then installing as regular software. And then next one that we'll be using here majority is PyCharm. Now PyCharm is an IDE which has a huge community support. So it comes with two formats. One is for professional developers and one is for community developers. So you just have to get the community developer one. So let's see. If you have your GitHub student pack, you can get 1 year free professional version also. But if you don't have that, it's fine. You can just get the community version. So you can just see over here. So when you go down, you get the professional version and community version. What is not there is, in community version, you don't get scientific tools, web development, web frameworks, profiler, development capabilities, and database and skill support inbuilt. But still, it's fine for beginners. So we'll just click here to download it and then install it as a regular software. So this was how you will be installing your basic Python installer in your system. So from next, we'll be seeing how to start coding with our Python. So please stay tuned for more videos to Technostack. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.